Okay, hey guys, it's your girl Mo. I'm making a video because I got my HP mini laptop. This is the box or whatever it came in, and it's like that. You open it, this is just all the junk that was in. Just came in there. This thing, I shouldn't have that crumbled, but because now I got this wiping thing. The laptop's already out, but yeah, it's the box it came in. It's really nice. And then the laptop. Let's get to the laptop. This is it. This is my laptop. It's so cute, right? I look a mess, but that's why I'm not showing you anything on my face. And then you open it, and it's like that. And it should be coming on here. There you go. You hear that? And then I gotta put my password. I like it so far. I don't have any problems with it. I just want to make my damn password on. But try to see. Hold on. Okay. Here's the thing. It's so cute, right? It's so clean. Let's see the internet. So let's see if the internet works, because I've been using it, but I don't know if it's gonna work now. It says the internet's good. See that little thing? I don't know if you can see it, but it says the internet's good. And I'm gonna try to go on the internet, but it's taking like 3 years. It was faster earlier. I don't know, it's just taking stupid long. Come on. But anyway, this is it. You see that thing right there? This little thing, that is the camera. See, look. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a camera on there. There's a camera on there. But I'm trying to, you know. This is how little it is. So little, look at it. It's a little babyish. But it says my internet's good, but I don't get it. Why it's not going up. Stupid. But anyway, it's like that. And it's really nice. And I just wanted to show you guys. I wish on my face, but I look a mess. And this is the little mini HP 110, and it costs $325 or $329 or something. But this is the video of my uploading my whatever, unboxing the thing, but it's really not unboxed. But okay, hope you enjoy.